Okay. I am showing this for my review. Hopefully I stay within the camera. I do have the foot extended out. And when I go to set it down, you can see it bending, and look, it just topples right over. I'm holding it with my foot, I let it go and it topples. I'm not pushing it. Okay. So let's see here. Right here you can see that the foot has already bent outwards. Therefore it starts toppling over. That has already bent. I've had this saw for about 3 hours. I haven't even put it to use yet. I put it together just so I can store it. And this is what happened. So I would not suggest buying this stand, at least not for the DeWalt miter saw. Maybe for a smaller, lighter version, but definitely not for this saw.